Are you overwhelmed with tasks every day? Managing a to-do list can be chaotic. Today, we compare Make.com AI and traditional to-do lists. We'll explore their features to see which one rules. Let's dive into Make.com AI first. Make.com AI automates tasks seamlessly. It connects apps for smooth workflows. You simply set up your tasks once. Then, it takes care of the rest. You won't forget a thing. Now, let's look at my traditional to-do list. It's simple and straightforward. You write tasks down, you check them off. But what happens when priorities change? It can become confusing quickly. Next, we discuss the setup process. Make.com AI requires some initial setup. You'll define workflows and connect apps. Once done, it automates everything. Your to-do list needs no setup. You just write tasks and get started. Moving on to organization. Make.com AI organizes tasks visually. You can see your entire workflow at a glance. You can prioritize and rearrange easily. My to-do list can become cluttered. It's hard to see what's important all at once. Now, let's talk about reminders. Make.com AI sends you timely notifications. You can't miss deadlines with its smart alerts. My to-do list? Only reminders if you set them. You might forget tasks that slip through the cracks. How about collaboration? Make.com AI excels in teamwork. You can share workflows with your whole team. Everyone stays in sync effortlessly. A to-do list is a solo endeavor. You might not see what your team is working on. Let's summarize the comparison. Make.com AI automates, organizes, and notifies you. My to-do list is simple but can be limiting. If you want efficiency, choose Make.com AI. For simplicity, stick with a classic to-do list. Now, it's your turn. Which method works best for you? Try Make.com AI or refresh your to-do list. Explore what suits your workflow. Like, subscribe, and share your experiences below.